Life can move so fast that the things that matter the most get overlooked, neglected, or just simply forgotten. As a result, goals can become gods, and the elements that create great business are compromised, causing workers to feel frustrated, unimportant, and no longer valued. We know that you want to be successful, but may we challenge you to remember that sustainable success is built on great leaders who are patient, kind, compassionate, relational, and whose goal is not personal success, but the success of others. We still believe in the importance of human connectivity. We still believe people want to help people, but we believe that some leaders have simply lost their way. Servant leadership. Transformational leadership. SKAN PRO talent development. Success done right.